Today we are going to look up how to search for ebooks and how to access them on the web. If you are joining us from YouTube, you can type ccu.edu/library into your browser and pull up the library's website. On the home page, there are two ways you can search for material. First, the blue box you see here searches for the physical material that the library holds along with our ebooks. We do have a video on how to search and put our physical books on hold, but of course today we're going to focus on ebooks. This yellow box here allows you to search our databases and our journal articles. But searching and returning to the blue box, from here you can search things such as keyword, title, author, or subject. Let's search something like Old Testament, since almost every student at CCU has to take a Bible course. From here, this accesses everything that the library holds, and we're going to focus today specifically on ebooks. We'll click up here at the top and limit the search to ebooks. Now that we have only ebooks on our list, I do want to point out that you can still limit and filter your search by things such as subject, format. You can click here to go back to physical books, audiobooks, or even e-magazines. You can filter by date, author, language, and other things. However, let's look at something like this Old Testament theology. You'll notice that we have two ways you can access this online. I don't want to get too far into the weeds, but we do have different vendors that provide our ebooks. We'll look at both of these so you can see how different they are. Regardless of the vendor, you click Access Online to look at the ebook. You'll need to sign in with your CCU credentials, which are the same thing that you would use to access something like Brightspace. The first one here is from ProQuest. It will load up, and you can see that it's going to look exactly like the physical book. It's going to be almost like a scan. And for all of our vendors, the interfaces are pretty intuitive, and you shouldn't have any problems. But of course, if something is not loading, just let us know and we can take a look with you. And we have the exact same book here, this time from EBSCO. Again, you click Access Online, and you may need to log in again, or it may already know that you are logged in from another search. And here we have it again, and you would just click Access Options. As I said, most of our ebook providers are straightforward, and you should be able to read the books without any problems. But we know that sometimes there are glitches and struggles, and people are using different internet browsers. So if you have any issues accessing an ebook, please let us know, and our contact is located below in the video description. And as always, the library faculty and staff are here to help. Please make a Book a Librarian appointment if you need to meet with us one-on-one.